Hello there. Let's have a quick look at how you can add a stop or add an address when you create a route plan. So the most important step, of course, is to go ahead and create a route plan. There are a few ways you can add a stop into a route plan. So number one, as you can see, I have created a route plan. I have three different options, that is add stops detailed, and import stops. Let's start with adding a stop. When I click on add stop, I can just go ahead and write Walmart, and it will just give me a nearby Walmart that I have, or I can type the full address. Go ahead and add the address here, and I keep on doing this, and I click this one, I click add, and so on and so forth. So this is the simplest way you can do that, right? Just start by adding, typing. Google will suggest you click done, and there you have it. Another method is adding a stop with a bit more of a detailed version of it. Like for example, again, Walmart. Let's say I pick up Walmart here, and I pick this up here. Contact person is manager 1, notes are 2 boxes, 1 question, 1 photo. It could be any note that you want to have for the driver. Priority, setting plain color, service time, stop type. Is it a delivery? Is it a pickup? Mostly if it's either or, just or you don't necessarily need it, just go with none. But if it's a delivery or pickup, you can absolutely do that too. Time window as an option, detail with a company name, contact number, email, and then you do have up to 5 custom fields that you can add on your own. So that's another way you can add a stop. And then most importantly, what you can do is you can also import the stop. One of the best ways you can do that is literally just go ahead, upload a file, search for the correct file here. Okay, just give me a quick second. Okay, so I got the correct file here. I click open, and then what happens is in the file you have your own column names. So bear in mind there is a small note here. You do need to have the file into an Excel sheet or a CSV format, and each column should have its own name. First row should not be empty, first column should not be empty, and there should not be more than one sheet under one Excel or CSV file, right? Apart from that, name whatever you want to name your column sets are. When you import, the dialog box here that you see is basically matching the categories that Upper Route Planner has versus matching the data column names that you had inputted. When you have a common name, that is address, as you can see here, the system will try on its own as much as possible to match the category versus the data column. In this case, address is address, checkmark green verified. Same thing here, full name is name, checkmark green verified, and so on and so forth. For some reason, if you do not see one of your columns in here, like for instance service time equals duration, it's something that the system might not be able to find. In this case, what you do is you just click on the drop down, select the exact name of the column that you want to match with service time. Do that, click done, and next time, as you can see here, if I upload a similar file, it will remember that, okay, service time equals duration, and it will just go ahead and verify it for you. So this is kind of a one-time thing that you import in, and then it will just remember it for you if you import a similar file, that is. You click done, and what happens is all of a sudden you have all of your 54 addresses imported with 51 totally verified, 1 need to review, 1 not found, and 1 duplicate. Of course, we'll jump into a bit more detail on what exactly the need to review or not found or duplicate means. If there's literally any other question, do let us know. You can reach out to us at support@uppering.com, or you can just click this here and start chatting with us. Hope this helps. Looking forward to hear from you and working with you guys. Thank you.